Hi guys, today I'm working on some more Halloween decor throughout the house, and of course I wanted to share that with you. So this isn't an actual decorate with me, we've got a DIY which you can see I already started working on here. Plus I want to show you guys how I utilized other previous Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs that I've done in the past, and some of the Dollar Tree Halloween decor and how I placed them throughout the house. So the first thing that I started doing was I started spray painting these two pieces from Dollar Tree, the skulls and then the creepy gate skulls from Dollar Tree. I wanted to spray paint them this satin cream color so that it would go better with my existing decor in my living room. I also knew that because I love green, it's a color that I use all year round in my living room. I wanted to move that concept into the skulls as well, and I thought the best way to do that was to add this creepy moss, this reindeer moss, to the skulls, and it was just that easy. As you can see I'm doing here, I'm just using a hot glue gun, and I'm making each skull different. I'm not trying to be overly precise, I'm just randomly picking spots and trying to make them all unique and different on their own. And like I mentioned, this isn't a full decorate with me, so I haven't actually completed the fireplace mantle, but this was exactly where I wanted to start off at, and I think you'll be able to see, and this is another shot that I wanted to include. This is my current existing fireplace decor for fall, and now I'm trying to get into a more Halloween side of things. So like I said, I'm not finished with this. I still have other things I want to do this mantle, but I wanted you guys to at least get a visual of what these skulls looked like with the other items that I am gonna keep up. So I think they turned out really, really cute and were very inexpensive to make. The next thing is just me setting out this decor. I already have a DIY on this, so this little truck decor sign, I made it from Dollar Tree products, and I will link that DIY down below, but I thought it looked extra cute in the corner of my kitchen. And then this decor piece is so amazing. I cannot believe it's $1. I didn't have to DIY this in the slightest. This is a Dollar Tree decor, and I simply placed it on my kitchen island. This is by far my favorite Dollar Tree Halloween decor piece right here. It's just gorgeous and stunning. Then I moved on to my pie save. I forgot to get a before shot of my fall, but I'll have my original fall pie save decorate with me down below, and I wanted to change it into Halloween. A lot of Dollar Tree goodies in this shot. This actual decor sign is not from Dollar Tree, but these bats are, so I added them to the garland. These pumpkins, this trick or treat sign are all from Dollar Tree, and then as you can see I scattered the black bats throughout the whole area, and then I added these apothecary jars, which I recently just did as a DIY on my channel, which I'll also link that down below. I wasn't even planning on including the pie safe in today's video. I was actually just kind of playing around with some leftover decor pieces from Dollar Tree, and I loved how it turned out, so I had to include it. The next piece is this. It was already in a previous DIY, but it's pretty simple. It's just a sign from Dollar Tree that I added to my existing wreath above my microwave. I absolutely love this piece. It's really simple. I can interchange this, put other signs out throughout other holidays, but this by far is probably one of my favorite decor pieces as well. The last part of this video is actually not Dollar Tree related, but I wanted you guys to see how the black crows turned out in case you follow all of my haul videos. These are from Hobby Lobby. I scored a great deal. They were 40% off from the fall section, and all I did was add them to my existing fall entryway, and I thought it gave it a nice spooky Halloween vibe without just kind of keeping it simple as well. But anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.